this is ridiculous. I'm really over the fact that this bitch think I am a scammer. I'm really over that crap. But then, if you guys search up my name, it will show these fake accounts that she made saying that I'm a scammer. Look at this first one right there. Black Rose 170 is a scammer. I'm not. I'm really not, guys. I'm not a scammer. I don't do that. You all know I don't do that. That's not even my thing. I don't scam people. It's stupid to do. See, this girl saying I'm scam free because I trade with her. Other people. Right. Scam free. And I scam free. I love that girl. Scam free. All the people I traded, they say I'm a scam free. I know. It sucks and all that crap. See, I'm scam free. Super nice and scam free. You're like, it says, aw, beautiful enemy. Aw, girl, I miss you. Scam free again. Thank you so much. Do y'all see the word scammer on my guest book? No, you guys see scam free. And lots of nice comments. Hey, sorry. I'm only showing you guys the scam free part. See, this girl said not a scammer. She's pretty trustworthy. I'm trustworthy. You guys can trust me when it comes to trading. Nope. No. This chick just think I'm a scammer. I don't know why. But let me tell you a basic story about it. She scammed me. I didn't scam her. See, this girl says, my best friend here. Well, I have more best friends in this game, but she said, not a scammer. She is my sweetheart. Not a scammer. 1 minute time. She's amazing and keep her word. Merry Christmas. Not a scammer. She thinks I'm a scammer, but I'm over that, to be honest. I'm tired of people think I am a scammer when I'm not. It's so nice to people. I don't know why. It's my nature. I love it. See? Aqua, me and her trade a couple of times and I never scam her. I think we are still friends. I don't know. Yes, we are. Thank God. Friend her, by the way. She says scam free, wild. I traded her so much. Scam free. She's also most of the time scam free. Nice person, loves to care, so we take care of trader, non-scammer. See that? You guys, everybody says I'm scam free. So don't listen to this stupid, and I really mean stupid video. Accounts and liars and videos. They would technically show you that am a scammer, when the truth is I am not. So all these accounts are lies. Because I never met this girl. Flaming Wares, I never met her. And she made this account just to mess with me. Black Rose 107 is a rat liar. Rat scammer. Lies. Black Rose 107 is ugly. Is ugly. She scammed me. Lies. Black Rose 107 lies. Lies. All these accounts are lies. She thinks I'm so defensive. Black Rose 100 scammer. Black Rose. Black Rose 107 scanned me in real life. She probably has her hair like this. I am ruined. That kind of make me laugh because I never saw her in real life. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you. So, guys, do me a favor and write on her guest book saying fucking liar. I'm not cursing that much because I know people watch this. See, here's my two friends that helped me out and write on her guest book so far. And this is where we're. How dare I scam you in real life? We never met. You are a liar. You're a liar, so shut the heck up, stupid girl. I already know what she means, shut the heck up, but I'm not gonna say it because people watch my videos. So, I just want to show you guys those accounts, and you guys don't agree with her and you don't support this like I do. I don't support this. So comment down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys support this little chick saying I'm a scammer? Or you support Black Rose 107 that she's not a scammer? That all this is just a big old lie. I love you guys so much. Bye. See you in my next video.